Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ardil and today is all about the steering wheel upgrade on the Mercedes X-Class. This vehicle looks absolutely mega. It's had the full Brabus conversion and what was left was upgrading this wheel. So as you can see, looks absolutely stunning. We've gone for a carbon fiber top and bottom, gloss piano black around the middle trims area. We've got perforated leather on the outer handles and it just looks absolutely incredible. We've also got the flappy paddles here which integrate really nicely. Tested, everything works nicely. This vehicle, obviously with it being an X-Class, has the old dated style steering wheel. So if I pull up here, this is the original wheel. So very dated, looks very boring and plain, just didn't quite suit the aesthetics of the vehicle. The one thing that you'll know about this system is the fact that you've got the flappy paddles. Originals were very small, now they're nice and big and also carbon fiber and perform really nicely. You've also got the retention of all of the functionality. So basically this is kind of spread out across two button controls. We've relocated it to this side now. So this is really intuitive. Home button works nicely. The scroll wheel also works. You can change radio station from that, just like you can do in the newer shape Mercs. Volume retention is also all live on there as well. So that side is really important. The cruise control on this vehicle, obviously the vehicle does have factory fitted cruise control, which is on this stalk here. So these are kind of not being used at the moment because of the factory fitted stalk being here. But I mean, overall, the design difference, the elements, we've got a flat bottle steering wheel at the bottom here as well. The shape of it, the handles, the grip, it's just gonna make this car so much nicer to drive. And it just feels so much more luxurious in here by having this new custom wheel. So you can actually head over to our website and you can spec online a full custom wheel like this, exactly how you want it. And these are becoming really popular for us. So if you're interested in having a new wheel added onto your vehicle, remember guys, this is a full replacement wheel. It's actually a full custom wheel built for your vehicle and it's fully customizable. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're interested, drop us a message. All our details are on the website, but also head over to the website and you can actually configure one yourself and then we can get that priced up for you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.